Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. In today's video, I'll be answering a question from Shop. I'll be showing you how to edit the social icons after you get the code from UI Elements Generator. If you haven't seen that video, click the thumbnail at the end of this video, or just click the link at the top or in the description. Just pick an option.
Okay, so here you'll add your social icons, whichever ones you want to put in your header. This is just a demo purposes, so I put my Instagram and my email for demo purposes. Then after you do that, you're going to customize the look of your button. You pick the colors, the brand colors that you want, the hex code, so grab that. You can change the size or the look of the icons. You can choose a circle, round corners, or square. I chose silhouette because I don't want any shape behind the logo. Then you can scale this up to make it larger or smaller. And as you make these changes, the code is updated automatically. Then when you're done, you're going to copy your code. And after this, you're going to go to the Shopify store, that liquid, and you're going to paste the code. Now, if you've done this already, then you'll just be updating the code. But if this is brand new for you, you'll be pasting the code in this section right here. I like to add a comment so that I know what I'm doing and I can separate the code that I added versus the code that Shopify already had there. So you're going to be adding lines 238 to 241. Social links. And what this does is display the section as a flex, and you're putting everything within that section to the right, and then you're centering the text as well as the icons. You're going to add this text here, span, follow us on, that's going to be in front of your icons. And when you save everything, you can see that it now says follow us on, followed by the icons, and everything is evenly aligned.
Thanks for watching this quick refresher, and thank you to Shop for your question. I hope others find it useful. Don't forget to click the thumbnail. This thumbnail right here to watch the original step-by-step for adding the icons in the first place. Oh yeah! Don't forget to subscribe!